Sudoku friends, we are back again with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper, Thursday, April the 30th. It's a binary puzzle. Let's count the boxes first. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always a 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. I do not see 4 O's or 4 ones in a row or in a column, so let's start with these 2 double O's, here one, there one, double one, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. Between 2 ones comes an O, and look, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1, here and O, there and O. Between double O, here and 1, there and 1, double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Double O, here one, there one, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then I think no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I need to compare, I think. Yes, because I cannot fill the puzzle. No, here, 1, between 2 ones comes an O. Still 3 O's. Yes, I need to compare. But which column or which row do I need to compare? That's the question. How about 101? Look, this row and that row. Let's compare. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0. So it's the same except those 2 missing numbers, digits. So we need to switch those numbers, otherwise I will have identical rows. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then can I compare. Oh, here between 2 O's comes in 1. Can I continue? We have this column and that column. Let's compare. Empty box 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch these 2 numbers. This cannot be a 1. This should be an O. This cannot be an O. This should be a 1. So between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Can I continue? No. I need to compare again. Strange. A lot of compares. Alright. We need to compare. But 1100. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh no, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. The rest are ones, of course. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. The rest are ones. 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. So you need to look carefully, otherwise you missed a 1 or missed an O. Do you like this binary Sudoku? Thumbs up. If you dislike, thumbs down. Download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper. A tectonic, aka Suguru. See you later. Bye bye.